Yeah, you're recording. Hey, Dad.
You guys don't want to say hi?
Feels good right here.
It's fresh.
Ballast. Ballast.
I need a pedicure so bad.
Yeah, you were such a good boy. You're such a good boy. As you guys know, we're moving, and part of that means that we have to get the cats all updated on their vaccines. They're only due for one, but we need to get that taken care of so that we can go ahead and send their paperwork to the apartment and let them know that they are healthy, they got their shots, and they're good to go. So we're about to go do that. They are already in their carriers, and they are not happy about it. But will say I took the carriers out to get them ready for them to go, to put a towel in there, make them a little more comfy for them. And they just walked right in, so that's kind of cool, but now they're going crazy. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and go get them their shots. They need I think it's the FVC, something like that shot. And then they'll be all up to date and good to go. Oh, you look so sad. Okay, you ready to go get your shots? Let's go do it. California to drop off Guinness. Like I mentioned in my last video, she is gonna go stay with Jonathan's parents because we're moving into an apartment. So this is the first step of our whole moving thing. We have to take Guinness over there today, so that's what we're doing. It's 5:30. We left the house around 4:15, so we're estimated to get there at 9:25. So we have a little bit to go. Ballast is trying to be all up in the camera, and Guinness is back there sleeping probably. But yeah, so this is the first step to our whole move. Finally moving, so there's the U-Haul. It's all packed up. Ballast is ready to go. And yeah, we'll be moving into our new place at 12. So 12 o'clock we'll go. See, Ballast is ready. Hey, excuse you, buddy. Oh, he wants to go.
Get out, come on. So yeah, I'll show you guys the new place as soon as we get there, and then as soon as we clean up this house, I'll give you guys an empty house tour here. It's really disgusting right now, guys. So
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Woohoo!
Nice.
Homeowners,
Kind of renters.
Home renters.
Hey guys, welcome to my new crib. Come on in. Alright, so if you turn this way, you got my beautiful kitchen. Brand new, beautiful hardwood floors. I'm gonna be cooking it up real quick right here. We have our stove, microwave, ice ice maker. Thank God.
Oh, nice.
If there's already ice in there. Got a cute little dishwasher.
Very nice.
Alright, we're at the desk where I'll be editing all of your guys' videos. Run this way. Living room with our patio, and that door's a storage thing for our water heater.
This is Lowe's car.
If you come this
We can
way,
just fill it up. I don't think so.
you just have a linen closet for my guests. Guest bathroom with the tub, should anybody need to take a little bath bomb. We're gonna fix the lighting, guys, don't worry. You go this way.
Oh, yes.
In-unit washer and dryer. We'll leave that there for now. This is gonna be the animal room.
Very cute.
Beautiful.
Carpets, very nice carpets.
Carpets come this way. You have the master
Very cute.
with bathroom in room.
Oh, of course.
Well, that lighting's better. And there you go, guys. That's my new apartment. Stay tuned. Lots of videos coming soon.